Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Friday, December 17th, 2021. It is 10:36 and 59 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Sesame. So let's hop to it here. Better identification of sesame in food packaging needed to avoid anaphylaxis. Study shows more than 50% of products do not declare sesame on the label. Date December 15, 2021. Source, American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. And sesame is the 9th most common childhood food allergy in the U.S., yet many people don't recognize it on food labels, or it is missing entirely. What researchers discovered in their study was that amongst those who reported events related to accidental ingestion of sesame, many reported they didn't know that words such as tahini meant sesame. Because the word sesame is often not used on labels, accidents happen at a greater rate. The study examined 379 self-reported events related to sesame involving 327 individuals with 360 distinct adverse clinical reactions. 19 events involved a sesame labeling issue that did not result in a clinical reaction. Most of the reports, 85%, were from parents providing information on events with their children. About 48% of the allergic reactions required hospitalizations or an emergency room visit. Most of the events, 63%, occurred at home. About 11% of events occurred at a restaurant, 5% at a friend's house, and 4% of events occurred at school. The most common reason for reporting an event was the occurrence of an allergic reaction following ingestion, 99%, as opposed to contact-only exposure. And some of the reports were due to products declared as containing spices or natural flavors, and required consumers to call the company or manufacturer to clarify the ingredients. One of the reported events occurred in a child with a known sesame allergy, and she had eaten meatloaf made with breadcrumbs. The parents later learned that the spices labeled on the breadcrumbs contained sesame. The authors conclude that clear and specific product labeling for sesame is crucial for the prevention of adverse reactions, especially anaphylaxis, in food allergic people. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.